story and how great it is to have his jet perform here today, and later these two pilots will climb into the jets in front of you, the Patriot Jet Team.
Just a jackknife has old Maggie Heath, baby, and it keeps it out of sight.
The formation taking off. 4 jets together. L-39s. Smurf's going to tell us more about them once they get up into the sky. This is very cool. They have a jet team here, the F-22 still coming up. Smoke and Thunder, the jet team, or the jet truck rather, and Mike Wiskus with a race still to come. The F-22 with the P-38 in the Heritage flight. Man, it's going to be nice. And another tribute to the past, lots of World War II planes that will put in the sky. Salute all the airmen of the past. So off goes the formation, and now the soloists taking off. Loved by millions, hated by 4. The soloists. And they'll catch up in just a few moments.
I am Michael Smurf Temby, the voice of your 2014 Patriots Jet Team, the only civilian-owned 6-ship aerobatic jet team in the nation. With over hundreds of years of flying experience in our 12th season, these pilots have a skill set and are fortunate to have these pilots with these skill sets to create this fast-paced precision show you are about to see, brought to you by Fries.com and Hotline Construction. Well, folks, you know, I've got one little challenge here, and that challenge is I need everybody out of those tents. I need you on your feet, and I need you to get involved with the Patriots Interactive Air Show as Wilbur, our lead pilot, brings those pilots around the corner here momentarily. With that red, white, and blue smoke, a little bit about these pilots. At the lead of that Delta, we've got Dean Wilbur Wright, former United States Air Force Thunderbird, leading those L-39s today. At number 2, setting the spacing in the diamond, we've got Rob Stash Hutchison, a 747 captain, an Alaskan bush pilot, and an accomplished skydiver. On that left wing, we've got John Boards Posson, P-51 flight instructor at Stallion 51 out of Florida. And at number 4, in the slot, we've got Paul Sticky Strickland, former United Air Force Thunderbird Colonel, an incredible guy, and you'll be able to see soon why they call him Sticky. And at number 5, we've got Rob Scratch Mitchell, our own Canadian snowbird, used to be their leader. And at number 6, everyone should have one of these, a former Navy Blue Angel pilot, Scott Banker-In. Now folks, if you look left, show left for the Patriots, loop, roll, combo. A little more pull coming over the top.
Bound to the earth, but we could ascend, yeah. I'm realizing
one from the right, one from the left. Momentarily, smoke will come on. They'll pull 6 Gs back towards show center with smoke on, identifying each other with those bright LED Wayland tip tank lights. Get prepared for the Patriots opposing hit.
I'll never forget
Yeah, baby, now that's the precision flying. He'll now roll those airplanes over, coming back towards show center. And if you look right, we've got 2 more jets inbound with the red and blue smoke. Yes, look at show center, folks. We've got 4 jets for the Patriots double opposing hit. Yeah, look at these 2 beautiful birds. Now look to your left, that red jet and the blue jet, as John boards Posson, flies that aircraft straight up to 0 miles an hour as he falls backwards at over 50 miles an hour for the tail slide.
Catch my breath before I start off again. Driven on by the
Is everybody having a good time here today at California Capitol? Construction Way. And as number 3 follows him to finish out those barnstormer loops, we've got a little surprise for you here momentarily. Remember, your high voltage needs are served by our sponsor, Hotline Construction. 4 jets for the 4-card crossover break. Now that was nice. Watch as all 4 jets fly to all 4 corners of this aerobatic box. Smash on the sneak pass. Now let's show that. Oh boy. Now what's next? Look, show right. As Sticky flies knife edge to get a good look. Top jet. Vertical rolls into a shark's tube. Wow.
15 years, blood, sweat, and tears in a knees ring. 'Cause I'm on fire. It's a cool, cool world. But good.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you look,
When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away.
now folks, I think you can see how he got his call sign. There's always a story behind a call sign. That's why they call him Sticky, because there's no way Wilbur can shake him. Now as they pull into trailing half Cubans, watch the lead pilot, Dean Wilbur Wright. He'll pull away from this formation as Sticky rolls that L-39 at over 400 miles an hour into a 90-degree bank, creating a figure 8, and he'll fly that L-39 right around that control tower. Keep it down, Sticky.
Shining bright like a diamond.
Watch as he goes behind the tower,
Shine bright.
flying straight back towards show center.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Arms raised.
Now that's an over 7.5 G pull. It's a good thing he's got that G suit on to keep the blood from pooling in his lower extremities. Now, if you have Your neighbors, your family, your friends, you should tell them tomorrow, Sacramento Sunday, get back out. Invite your family and friends back out to this air show. Now that was incredible. You know, we want to thank all of the sponsors at this air show. Darcy Brewer and her group that she has assembled here to volunteer so that we can all be here and have an incredible time. Let's give them all a big round of applause, folks. And we're proud to be with you today. That's a beautiful sight to see. You know, it's amazing the countless hours that go into keeping these aircraft maintained, keeping them flying. And you know, the guy behind the scenes never really seems to get the credit. Well, you know what? We have an incredible footprint of people that keep this team together. Marie Howell, ladies and gentlemen.
Be sure and visit Aerojet Rocketdyne's Launch Pad exhibit for more fun, hands-on service and engineering activities. A leading provider of aerospace propulsion for more than 70 years, Aerojet Rocketdyne is rocket science. Visit them online at rocket.com. Better yet, visit them here today. Atlas Disposal needs your help keeping the pilots safe by keeping these grounds clean. Please place all trash and recyclable items in the many containers located throughout. This will ensure that no debris gets caught up into the engines of these amazing aircraft. Thank you, and thank you, Atlas Disposable, for keeping it clean. Every day, American Red Cross volunteers are making a difference in our communities, from providing disaster relief following a home fire and making neighborhoods better prepared for emergencies, to delivering life-saving training and providing critical support for our active duty and retired military service members.
Start to hear the wonderful music, the sound of round, the music of the Merlin engines, as the Mustangs, the B-25, the Corsair, and the Spitfire are all about to climb into the sky as we pay special tribute to those veterans of the Second World War that are with us, especially those who served in the air services, the United States Air Force, Naval Aviators, Marine Corps Aviators as well. And here come the Patriots one by one. Well, their ground crew take great care of them. I do want to thank Bill and Dave and Larry and Len and Jeff, Jan, Jack, Eli, the Airedales under the supervision of the Dancing Man, Jerry O'Neill. They take care of all the ground operations here, pushing all that tin around when it's on the ground, making sure things don't bump into one another. Outstanding. The flight line operations done by the Airedales again this year, working in these hot temperatures and not complaining about it in the least. The Airedales. Thank you. Look at all this history way off to the left. Priceless. You couldn't put a price tag on these aircraft. Sometimes at auction, a rare occasion, Mustangs come up, Spitfires well over $1 million. The B-25 Mitchell, too, to remember the Doolittle era, paying homage to our airmen of the past. And the last of our jets, Scratch Mitchell, shutting down the Canadian. We have a Snowbird lead, Blue Angels, Thunderbird pilots making up the Patriot team. Outstanding. So still to come this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, this homage to the past, the F-22 Raptor demonstration.